Hi, friends and everybody. Yes. Guess who's back? They are gone. They are gone, the people. I am free and there is no more people who disturb me. So you see, I have this new project I want to make. I had this very wonderful skull. It belongs to somebody, I guess, but now it's just a skull. And as it is a very a nice project to make, a new project, I want to make an animatronic on basis of this skull. That's not funny because there was somebody inside here, and I hope the people they rest in peace. Rest in peace, good people. I feel very sorry. So. From this I took a print with this putty. This putty is a kind of two parts putty. It's maybe I can show the putty. Just wait. Well, I had the putty. I'm just looking for a good putty. Yeah. So you see, basically, I make a mold of the skull with this two-part putty. There is part A and part B. You have to mix the two together so that you have a kind of putty which is something like plasticine, but quite a greasy putty. So there is nothing very difficult. You just have to take a kind of print of this. You see, this part, the first half part. You can cut it from here. Yeah. And then I feel really happy because I made the back side of it, and then I just add some screws here. It's just basically a two parts mold. There is nothing difficult about this. So this is for the upper part of the skull, and today, yeah, I was not going to show you how to put putty on the skull because it's something even a child can make. So you are not, maybe you are a child, but you have to go and try it by yourself. If you cannot do, you should practice before. There is nothing this much difficult about it. When you were a kid, you used to play with Play-Doh, and it is basically the same, almost the same. So, yeah, I'm just removing the screws, and we're gonna watch what is the result. The result is gonna be very interesting. It's a low print thing, you know. Because the putty, it costs average maybe 30 euros. Yeah. So it's not this expensive. I made it the easiest way to build a very cheap animatronic head without a 3D printer. Yeah, because 3D printer is very expensive, and I just want to use the rubbish I have here. Because you know I have good patience for it's really very greasy substance. Yeah, I like to search into trash to find what I can find, to find some loot. Yeah. And for this I feel very happy. Okay, okay, so it's doing quite well right now. You see, I'm just unscrewing what I did screw up. Yeah. Oh, oh! Okay. So I'm gonna make a small pause to be sure I'm good in focus, because most of the time I'm not this good in focus, because I'm going out of focus. This is not very good. Yeah, you see, it seems to be okay. Okay, so we are moving on with the unmolding of the skull. So you see, basically the two parts are separated here. Oh, it's the first time I use this putty. Ah, look at this, it is wonderful. This is the back side of the skull. So you see, there is nothing difficult to make the small dots here, so that you can plug yourself in here. Yeah, and this is all the parts I do not want to use. I can remove them. And so I use, to make the skull, the print of the skull, I used just epoxy with something to make it thicker, and it is aluminium powder, so it has this metallic aspect. But you can use talc, you can use whatever you want, flour, sugar, everything is okay. In the epoxy you can dirt. So, and I it's not so flexible, you see, but gently and slowly. Oh, I am removing this, and oh, look at this, look at this, this is awesome. And I have a wonderful mold which costs almost nothing, and I do not have to use a thixotrop to make it like this, and there is no you see, support for the mold, because it's already, it has a certain rigidity. So what you can do when you are creating the mold, you can use a pan like this. So you put the two parts together with screws, and then you put it like in a kind of a round shape, and then you can use yeah, a kind of a spatula, so that you can put the epoxy, which is thickened, in the mold. Maybe the first layer you have to put it without too much load, so that it can be quite fluid, yeah. Okay, what I tried to do was to make a division, yeah, but you see, it is quite okay, but I think I'm going to use it like that. No, it's great, yeah, it's a great skull. I think it's not bad. It was very, very cheap, and it's very light. It's very light. So you see, I reserved holes for the eyes, because I want to make an animatronic. So I want eyes to move, and I'm going to show you the second part of it, which is, of course, the inferior, the lower jaw. The lower jaw. So for the lower jaw, I use the same putty, and I just I made a hole here, yeah, so that I can make the epoxy. I pour the epoxy on the jaw. Yeah, I'm so very happy and excited to show you The result of it, yeah. Oh, okay. I was not here for a long time because the people they had attacked me, and so I was living in the house of the people for almost a year. Oh, 2 years, yeah. I did not go out for 2 years. See, 2 years, it's a very long time, but I know I'm okay, and I'm okay and very happy. I love epoxy because it's light and so strong. Epoxy is so strong. Yeah. I'm just gonna watch if I'm still recording because yeah. Okay, it's still recording. It's magnificent. Okay. Wait and see. So here it's very easy. You see, I with the cutter I already cut it because I had to remove the print. Yeah, this is just what I did, is just add putty on the jaw. It's very easy, even a child can do this. Yeah, and if you are a child and you want to mold a skull, there is no problem. You have the right to do it. Yeah, freedom is very important. You see, this is the skull of one people, and the people they don't need the skull once they passed away, because to get out I had to get rid of the people. Yeah. Look at this wonderful jaw. So now I have my two-part skull, and I'm gonna think about a way to add maybe a servo, because I want the skull to be able to clap, 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 to not yeah, to talk. I'm going to make my own friend on myself. Ho, 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 ho. Hello people, how are you today? Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, this is what I want to make. Somebody very nice to me, like people, basically. Yeah. So now I'm going to show you the whole project. So there is nothing difficult. Yeah, I broke some teeth. Yeah. So this is the original. This is the print, two parts print, and this is the result. The result, I feel very happy with the result. It's made of epoxy. This weighs a lot, and this is very light. But this is very nice, and I feel very happy. Yeah. I'm gonna cut the record. And the next step is maybe we can add some. You see, look at this. This is awesome, and this is very easy to make. Just you have to put the putty, press the putty with your fingers. Just think. You see here, you have to think about the holes. You see there are holes here. Yeah, holes. You have to think about holes, because we need to have eyes that will move. And remember, we are not using any 3D printer, because it is expensive. And the place I live in, there is a low technology place. Yeah. And for this, I wish I had some better technology, but as it's not the case, so you have to do with what you have in hands. Huh? It's life. Life is like that, you know. And always feel the very happy. So see you next time for the servos in the jaws. So I'm gonna prove to yourself that the people, they are no more the people, they are gone. The people, something bad happened to the people. Something very bad. Oh yes. Here there used to be the people. They were living here, the people. Yes. The people's kitchen is here. This is the people's kitchen. And let me show you the people's house, because this is the good key. The good key to go to the people's house. Just wait and see. And what we can see, there are no more people. The people, they are gone. They used to live here, people, but no. Yeah, the only remaining thing from the people, the doll of the people. The clothes of the people. And the most important thing and all is the Marilyn Monroe of the people. Yeah. Good Marilyn. How are you today, Marilyn? Oh, the people is not here anymore. There is no more people. It means that I am alone. Almost. And there are wonderful things. Maybe I can make some good loot everywhere later. Look at this wonderful cat. Meow, meow. It doesn't make any meow, the people. Ah, I like this one. Yeah. The small toys for the children. The children, the people. Yeah. I'm not going to play doll. I'm quite very too old. So you see, it's quite nice because no more people in the thing which attacked me over there is not there anymore. The thing is gone, and I feel I think it's gone. I'm not 100% sure, but I may. Wondering if it's really gone, because I wonder if I can get out, but I do not know if I can get out. I've never been this far. I am very afraid to see what is downstairs. I've never been this far, so okay. I wonder what is over there. I cannot go this deep. It's quite dangerous. Downstairs This is what you find downstairs, and I've got no idea. Must be dangerous, maybe. Bye. This is the other place for the people there. Yeah, but it's quite freezing up there, so I have got no clue, no idea. If maybe somebody can help me there or not. Maybe there is a way to put some more light. Wait. So the problem is that I have tried to escape once from there, but the problem is there are a lot of spiders and they bite quite badly. They are quite small spiders, but the problem with the spiders, this you see they don't seem to be this big, but the bite is quite a strong bite. Look at this one over there. Look, this one tiny fellow. No, oh, no, really, it's the fellows they're not so very happy with me. So I don't know why. If I want to go to the toilet, you must be very careful because yeah, it can be very harmful to go to the toilet. Oh my! So I prefer not to go there because it's not this kind of good toilet. You know, it's quite yeah. It's too much spiders for me. So moving on downstairs, you see there is no this much issue. And always be very careful with the spiders because the bite of the spider is not so very happy. There was a way to get out here, yeah, but it's closed, strongly closed. I cannot get out here, neither. No. Ow! Ow! The spider, the bite. Ay! 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 Oh my! So if I try this place to get out from here, it's the same. I don't have a key. I cannot get out. So I feel not very happy. So from this place, the bit, yeah. If I try there, but you see, no, the spiders won't bite, I hope, because here the place is not this much better. Maybe no escape. That's a no escape, you know. Huh? Maybe yeah. Let's have a try there. But oh. No escape neither. The only escape was there. A lot of good bottles from the people. The people, they like to drink the much bottles, but is there any chance I can get out? Ah, there. Is there someone there? Is that? There's someone there. This may be the people there. Maybe the people are not this much gone after all. Okay. Anyway, the spiders are not gone because I have to turn the lights off because I think I'm not sure, but I've got the feeling there are some more people somewhere in the house. I don't know when. I'm not sure, but the people. The people. 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 I'm not this very happy. The people most of the time are hiding in this room. I cannot pass. I cannot pass. I'm going to have to rush because I cannot pass the door. Okay, so I have to take my courage into. Oh, I was not attacked. Other people, they did not get me. I can't go back. Oh, I can't go back to my safety. The good people, they did not attack me. I'm safe. Oh. I'm safe. Oh yeah. I need to take her. I need to sleep. Oh yeah. So I'm back. You can see I'm not a cheater because all this is not made with the 3D printer, but I had to replace the servos because the axis was not very good. It was not square from the tooth. Sorry, it made me laugh because this is very funny, but maybe another project. I use those very nice holders for those servos. And now I'm considering the fact that maybe I will have a problem, but we will test it later. I will taste, not taste. So I had to put some wood here to make the connection to the lower jaw. And now, what the trick here is not a trick, it's it's years of the people. So I'm gonna glue the jaw to the upper part, but it's not definitive, of course. it's oh, so I glue it and I try to figure out how to take the middle of it, and then okay, it's glued, but it's not for long, it's just to add glue. It's necessary to glue this part to make the jaw move, okay? Because when I tried before with small servos, the blue ones, it was not it was not good enough. So I found these other servos, NG90. Oh no, it's MF90. Okay, and they are very good from the Musei brand. So I hope it will be better this time, because the problem I had was the servos, they were not perfectly face to face for one another. So I think the problem is slightly improved. I'm gonna test. But I'm not using epoxy pasta because epoxy pasta is very strong and this project is not very strong. It's just a fun project. So I decided to improve my fun, as no, there are no more people to tell me what to do. So I'm kind of free. Okay, maybe I can put this one. Oh, it's too big. I'm not going to add big parts, maybe small parts of it. See, it's very smooth wood, okay? Just checking. Oh no, okay, it's okay. Okay, oh. But yeah, because I want you to see what's going on. See, okay, yeah. So we stay in focus. Walking up there, little sip of coffee. Very good. Fuck. Yeah. The problem is so maybe I don't know if you are gonna see, but oh, is this gonna make a pressure? Yeah. So I have to cut it once more. Okay, so maybe no, it's okay. No, it's too big. No, it's not okay. Shut the fuck up, everybody's listening to us. Don't need to talk when the people they are listening. Yeah, the people from YouTube, they are very improved people. Very high-end people. So if you want to be friendly, yeah. Okay, you see, just the glue gun. Oh, the glue gun, it's so wonderful. I don't know who invented the glue gun, but you don't need a 3D printer if you have a glue gun, because you can glue gun so much things. Yeah. I think there is a song from the Beatles talking about the glue gun. I can't remember it right now, but it goes like buy me a glue gun, buy me a glue gun, na 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 na. Okay, so maybe yeah, this is better. La, 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 la. So if you see, just this costs among how many rupees I cannot say, but it's, yeah, it's not so expensive. You don't need to buy an expensive 3D printer, yeah, because the real important thing is the glue gun. Mine is called Shiak. Okay, so I'm going to add this there, yeah. So yeah, and the glue gun is even faster than a 3D printer, which is very slow. It takes centuries to add layers and layers of plastic. And here, yeah, you just, yeah, come on, give me the layer I need. Ow! Ow! With the eye! Oh, malarei, malarei, malarei. Ay, 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 ay. Uy, uy, uy. Ah. Oh, the glue gun. Ow! It burns. Oh. Ow! Ow! I have plenty of glue. Oh! I had glue in my hair because I have a lot of hair of my arms. So maybe the glue gun. You need to be careful if you have a lot of hair on your arms, because the glue gun, ow, it can burn. Yeah, maybe. But if we consider the dangerosity of the 3D printer, the glue gun is okay, very nice, no problem. But what the fuck did you decide to? Oh, and now I'm just thinking I may have a problem right now because I forgot to free the jaws. That may be a problem. We will gonna see later. I'm just seeing. Yeah. You see, so there is no problem. But just be careful with the glue gun. The problem may be I forgot to release the jaws before I use the glue gun. Ow! And it burns quite a bit. Yeah. And with this I feel not very happy. Look at this, it's very red. Oh, I burned and I lost a few hair in the battle. Okay, so we are gonna wait until it dries. Maybe the better word should be it gets colder. Yeah. And then we will slightly open the jaws. Just to show you during the cooling, these are other pieces I cast. Of course, it's human bones. I used to have a lot of human bones before from the people. So this is from the, you see, it goes, I don't remember, this is from the arm. It's a casting, obviously. It's not the bone is back in the garden where it belongs. The bone are good in the garden, but I used to cast them, and I made a copy of it with a synthetic plaster. Okay, so this is for the arm. Yeah. I guess this is also the arm, but I do not remember well how it goes. I think this is the upper bone of the arm. This is the shoulder, and this is the little thing here, epicondyle. Okay, and you see the articulation of it here. So I'm wondering, maybe I will use it later as a robot. There is a kind of a rail. Yeah, it's very, very interesting to see nature. Nature makes nice things. It's very precise, and I think this goes something like this. I don't know, but this one was broken. I have to fix it. So I think I'm gonna fix it. Of course not with the glue gun, because it has to be very strong, so I'm going to use epoxy pasta, or maybe yeah, epoxy. Yeah, epoxy. And no 3D printer for this. So the reason why I'm not into the 3D printer is because it's mainly 3D printer, printer slop. I'm not into the slop, no. I think I can produce my slop without 3D printer. So this is old school epoxy slop, you know. And the most important is not that, yeah, with the 3D printer you can find what you need, the models on the internet, but most of the time I find the models in my garden. I just have to dig, and then I get a lot of things. So, oh, it's okay. He slightly opened his mouth. I'm going very gently with the servos, because these servos are very nice. They are made out of metal. It's not this plastic sheet, yeah, like the SG90, yeah. Oh, give me your, oh. Okay, so yeah. It closed the jaws. Open it, little buddy. Yeah, it's okay. If you go to the dentist. Okay, so I'm going to test with a simple sweep code. It may take quite a long time to upload because I have a very old computer. Oh, and my Arduino, it was quite broken. I tried to use an Arduino Nano, but instead I found my Arduino Uno. Yeah, because this may not be very smart. Huh? Because the Uno is, there are never any problem for the upload, and sometimes with a Nano, when you are using a clone, yes, we have a problem with a CH340, and this comes for a story of driver, and I don't know what, and sometimes I don't have the internet, so I have to, yeah, find solutions. Most of the time, yeah. You know, I feel very happy because we are almost done with it, with this wonderful project. You can use it as a frame, as a decoration, as a, oh, a mistake has happened. What the heck is the mistake? Ah, okay, the port is not, yeah, it's the eighth port, yeah. So just wait and see. My objective, my goal with this is to make him sing a song from the Beatles. I want my skull to sing Twist and Shout. I don't know if it's gonna twist, but it's gonna shout. Yeah. First it's gonna sweep. So it's gonna be sweep and shout. Shake it up, baby, now shake it up, baby. Sweep and shout, sweep and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now, come on. Oh, I'm so dumb because I forgot to, yeah, it's my fault. Sorry. Is it? Oh, my dumb. Ah. This is most of the time what happens when I am trying to be funny. There is a lot of mistakes happening, so I feel very sorry, and please forgive me. It's just gonna take 1 second, so please don't leave. Don't leave, because oh, it's nice. I love the strings. You see? This comes from, yeah. No. So it says the sketch is compiling, and then we will have a nice sweep. Sweep dreams are, no, I must stop this now. It's not good. Come on. So, is it okay? Oh wow, oh wow, look at this. Mom! Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this. It opens widely. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It reminds me the people who had the skull at the same wide opening. I feel very happy. Yeah. Oh, it's very, 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 very nice. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yes. It's absolutely very nice. You see, you don't need 3D printers to make nice projects. Yeah? If you want to make your house more happy or nicer, you just have to have the only gun you need is a glue gun. Yeah. And okay. So maybe I'm gonna reduce a little bit because I don't want it to break anyway. So it's kind of too much. Huh? Who needs to open so widely? I'm just gonna test. Does it hurt? No, it's very gentle. It's very gentle. Oh, it's not like the people. It doesn't bite a lot. It bites very gently. Oh, this is so funny. It bites very gently, and for this I feel very happy. So this is the final result for the moment. So this is not final, this is the result for the moment. And what way you have to consider is the fact that you can buy many things without a 3D printer. So I'm gonna show you the result for the moment. So if I press the button, oh! It looks like it's trying to say something, but there is no air to push the words outside the mouth, because it's been a long time in the garden. So I find it very impressive. If you have some bones, you can make a very good animatronic, and then you can put some layers of, I don't know, silicone or whatever you want on it, on the top of it. I don't know if I'm done right now. I'm considering the fact of adding maybe 2 eyes in it. But I'm not into animatronic size because I find it absolutely ridiculous. On the internet I found something which is called FNAF, which I'm not really into rabbits and dogs. I don't find them very frightening. I've got the feeling that this is very more frightening. He looks very angry. Is screaming something, you see? Help! I need somebody help, and not everybody help. I need someone help. When I was young I didn't better than today. I didn't come help me every day. Now I'm just a skull and my life is not done. I wanna be just up the door. Help me if you kind, I'm just a skull. You see? So yes, I love this skull. I'm just maybe considering the fact of adding eyes in it. And with this, you know what? I feels really happy. So I must thank first of all the people who gave me the skull. And yeah, so I'm wishing you a nice day, and you can see you can make a very simple animatronics project without a 3D printer. And I wish you a very pleasant day. See you later. Bye for now.